Ever wondered why your friends can chat on Discord while gaming on PS5, but you can't? The good news is that getting Discord voice chat working on your PlayStation 5 only takes a couple of minutes, and I'll walk you through the entire setup. Start by heading to the settings menu on your PS5. You'll find the gear icon in the upper right corner of the home screen. Open it, then scroll down and select Users and Accounts. Next, look for Linked Services. This is where you can connect your PlayStation account with apps like Discord. Select Discord, then choose Link Account. A QR code and a verification code will appear on your screen. When the QR code appears on your PS5 screen, the easiest way to connect your Discord account is by using your phone. Simply open your phone's camera app and point it at the QR code. After a second or two, a Discord link will appear near the bottom of your screen. Tap that link and it will automatically open the Discord app. If you don't have the app installed, it'll open the Discord website instead. If prompted, sign into your Discord account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the authorization page. From here, you'll see a screen asking you to link your PlayStation Network account with Discord. Just tap Authorize, and after a few seconds, your accounts will be successfully connected. Now, you might be wondering, how do you actually join your friends in a Discord voice chat? Don't worry, it's really simple. Press the PlayStation button on your controller, the one with the PlayStation logo. This will open the control center at the bottom of the screen. From there, select Gamebase. Inside Gamebase, you'll see the Discord icon. Open it, and you'll find a list of your Discord servers along with the option to join a direct voice chat. In this example, I'm going to open my own server, TechFury. Once you're inside your server, select the voice channel you want to join, then simply press Join. After a second or two, you'll be connected to the voice channel, and you can start talking with your friends directly from your PS5. There's no need to keep using your phone for the call. Everything is handled right from your console. And that's all there is to it. You can now enjoy Discord voice chat on your PlayStation 5 while gaming with your friends. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more PS5 tutorials, gaming tips, and tech guides. If you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.